Morning,
Let's
Olive.
see Michelle.
Yes, Tita Michelle's gonna come down soon. Aga-aga. Oh, gumagawa na naman ng bahay itong batang to. Is that my house or your house? It should be your house. It's small.
Yeah, it's my house.
It's your house.
And
Okay.
we're gonna put Yogi's there.
You're gonna put lollies. Okay.
And then let's have Yogi dinner.
Lollies. Uy! Excuse me? Why are you listening to us? Hi! Hello! Hindi mo nag-cry mo na. You're gonna wake up Tita Michelle. Okay. Yeah, wake up Tita Michelle. Good morning! Ganito. Umiyak. Good morning muna. Ayaw mo na. Over? You want, your kuya? Eh? Mary, humot di ay. Good morning lang ninyo tanan. Okay, walk na ka? Walk. Di walk. Hindi daw. Napaka-walk. Yummy! Kain tayo, guys. Coffee.
Ang sa kadugay ang gymnastics ni Ayla.
Kain. The boy is there. Same ulam from last night. Sarap.
Kaya lambot-lambot na.
Zabaw.
Dapat may juhot doon natin kasi Danny ba ilabay mo ni.
Labay lang din.
Dagang
Kaya.
pala day.
Hindi na kaya.
Pero napagpabilin?
Napay, mamay.
Ang init pa. Sarap.
Sabi pa ba siya nagdumot ang patis ilaman? Nataas sa ROJ.
Ah.
Nurse mo.
Arlo, did you finish your food?
Why not?
Come here then. Eat your rice and soup. Come on.
Naku yan lang yan ate.
No, pa?
Pero wala pa na akong gibutangan.
Alo, you gonna eat with us? Guys, kain tayo nito. Nabili natin to sa Japan. Snoopy chocolate. Uy.
Try it first if you like.
Wow, you got white chocolate. Yum.
Don't make a mess now.
Can you eat here, please? Try natin yung kanilang matcha. Guys, tayo ay aalis na. Very quick lang talaga yung ating trip dito, guys. Kasi kailangan na talaga magtrabaho ulit. Ay, that's enough, Bob!
Alo, say bye-bye now.
That's enough, please, ate. That's enough. Because you might not take a shower tonight.
Bye. I'll see you next time. See you next time, okay?
See you next
Did you
time.
fart again?
Yeah.
You did it.
You pooped 5 times.
I'm talking to you.
Bye.
Bye.
Smell the bum.
Bye-bye, Anna.
Ayla, say goodbye. Can you stop doing what you're doing, please?
That's 5 na. 5 na daw yan, tato.
Ayla, bye-bye.
Ala.
Give us a hug, please.
Hug again?
See you next time. Oh,
Hug again, or?
see you next time. Okay? No hands. Alo, look at Ayla. No hands.
No.
How about you?
This is owl.
So good.
That's mine.
Bin.
Alo, got it lolly again.
Bye, guys. Thank you.
Bye-bye, Ted. Thank you.
Bye, Te. We're going home, guys. Aha. It's home time. Bye.
Drive safe.
Kuya ko isa.
Si Ayla, rin ko ba?
Bom, bom. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, garaa, ganing Arlo eh. Oh, oh, oh. Nice kig outfit ang duha. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Yeah, no, that's good. That's good.
We're heading to
Not a,
Sissy's
not a
mom.
Oh, cool.
Oh my goodness.
Guys.
Hindi. Ano na lang yung party. Ay, karinderya.
Guys, alam nyo ba, punta pala tayo sa aking land. I'm so excited. This is it.
Kaluto na lang.
Punta tayo, guys. Andito na tayo. Ito na yung neighborhood ko. Oh, yeah, nice kayo.
Ano na yung neighborhood sis?
This is my neighborhood, guys. Papunta nga tayo sa aking land. Ay!
And look at that.
Unsa man na?
Na lang mag-multis in.
Ah, okay. Hala, in fairness, maganda yung neighborhood. Ay! Alam niyo ba, first time ko talaga mapunta dito. Hindi ko alam, wala akong idea kung maganda ba yung neighborhood sa binili kong bahay.
Guys, walk onto the footpath up there, guys. You go the right.
Go, go.
Actually, princess, don't you worry. Walk up. Show them.
This is a good day as
That is
any
the Peter Rich's house.
to start the
She's at the
rebuilding
like this. Over the
the
bottom.
road that lay open on many when the old one's gone under
We can't see her house.
and I can
No house yet.
feel the sun on my skin
And now it's stepping here.
beginning to thaw from within.
Oh.
This is it, Sissy.
Where?
Alright.
Which one?
This.
Ah, ito na!
Yeah.
Oh,
Corner, dito na siya.
wow. Corner.
First,
Oh,
okay,
wow. This is our land, guys.
In the tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to
Parang ang
live.
weird tingnan na wala pa talagang ano. Hindi pa siya nagagawa. But that's good.
This morning
That's
has
it.
a clear
That's our
light
future
as any to see the horizon and the
Hey, nakita na natin, guys. And of course, uy, maghawa na ta dali kay gabi ang hangin kuha ng taaning fence nila. It's good to see the land. Pero yun nga, very empty pa siya. Hindi pa talaga nag-start on anything. And these are our neighbors. Ah.
Hey, can I please have a 12 pack of wings?
Well, we can ring you.
Yes.
Anything else?
Got some goodies, wicked wings, grapes for later, very hindi messy, and the best one is the chicken on top. Sino ba naman ang hindi makakamis ng ating chicken? We have 15 chicken. Here you go, girl. Yum.
Meet kayo.
Ano pa kayo, guys? Bago pang luto, guys. Later na ako kakain. Hindi kaya. So good. Pakita ko. The goodness of them all. Oh my God, ang sarap.
Goodbye, South Australia.
Guys, we're here! Finally! Time check, it's 6:22.
Uy.
Guys, we're finally home. Andito na tayo sa accommodation. Finally. At, very good kasi naglinis sila dito. Nag-provide sila ng mga tissue at saka mga tubig. Ano na ulit tayo mga tubig. And yeah. Meron palang binigay si ate sa akin na mga skincare. So, i-haul ko siya later pero mag-i-edit muna ako kasi ilang araw na tayo hindi nag-i-edit. Let's do this. Okay. I'm making really big decisions right now na naman. Sobrang nakakatakot talaga if you're transferring money or depositing money. Alam niyo naman, pinuntahan nga natin yung bahay, di ba? Tapos, of course, on the process tayo ng settlement and yun nga, nagka-transfer tayo ng money and, you know, lalaki ng mga amounts na to. So, parang pinaghirapan ko to. So, ay, nako. You know, when you make decisions talaga, gusto mo talaga ipag-pray kay Lord na sana tama yung mga decisions mo in life. Especially if you have a goal. Tapos, nakakatakot na what if yung goal na gusto mo ma-achieve, hindi mo ma-achieve. It's not just about having a land and a house eh. There's so much more to that. So, parang nakakatakot. Sobrang laki ng risk. Bigat ng risk. So, parang yun lang, nakakatakot lang. Kung ano-ano talaga ng mga bagay na pinagde-decidean ko, kahit konting money pa yung i-deposit ko, transfer ko, and especially this one na medyo malaki to, nag-prepare talaga ako prior to doing it. Pa yun lang, share ko lang sa inyo guys. Yung lakad talaga natin going to Adelaide, ang dami ko talagang na-realize. Yun nga, first time ko makita yung land, hindi ko ma-process ng maayos nung nakita ko yung land. Kasi the weather was pretty bad. And then, na-realize ko na, oh my God, ang layo pa ng aking lalakbayin into this process. Land pa lang ako, ang dami ko pang pagdadaanan. Medyo kampante naman ako, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be guided naman. Pero yun lang, when I saw the land, sabi ko, oh my God, this is it. Ay, nalag out tuloy ako. Nasabi ko talaga, oh my God, this is it. Tapos, very empty pa yung land ko. Sabi ko, oh my God, ang laking process ba talaga nito? Pero yun lang. Kaya hindi ko alam talaga kung anong nafe-feel ko. Like, mixed emotions. And I was like, already thinking about the fence. Ang dami ko nang iniisip agad-agad. So, ayun. Up until now, iniisip ko pa rin yung mga kailangan kong gawin. Kaya, ay, nako. Kailangan talaga ng guidance ni Lord talaga itong mga pinagagawa natin sa buhay. Magfo-focus muna ako dito, guys. Okay. Hindi pala pwede. Hindi daw pwede sa app. Yan ang gagawin ko. Wait.
Information is also available on your first statement issued after the 30th of June.